There are many ways that you can navigate on your iPad. You could use one finger to swipe back and forth from left to right in between home screens, or two fingers will also help you to swipe back and forth. If you're looking for a particular app, you could always swipe through the home screens trying to find it. But a quicker way to find that app is to navigate to it through the Spotlight search. To activate the Spotlight search, put one finger on your screen in between the apps about a third of the way to half of the way down the iPad screen and pull down. This will bring up the Spotlight search where you can type in the name of the app that you're looking for. As you start to type a few letters, it will bring up suggestions of apps that are spelled the same way. Here you can quickly tap on the name of that app and activate the app. There are a few different ways that you can quit or leave an app. One simple way is to tap the home button once. This will quit your app and go back to your home screen. Another way to quit or close an app is to do a slow 5-finger pinch on the iPad screen. This will close the app and return you to your home screen. To get back to your multitasking app view where you can see all the apps that you have open right now, you can put 4 fingers on the screen and swipe up. This will give you a thumbnail view of all of the apps that you have open, and you can move to another app by simply tapping on that thumbnail to bring that app back to full screen. Again, you could close that app up with a slow 5-finger pinch on the app to close it up. Another way that you can get back to that multitasking view is to do 2 quick taps on your home button. So 2 quick taps together again will bring all of those thumbnails of the apps back. And again, to close any of those apps, you can swipe upward on them to close or quit out of those apps. You could even swipe upward with 2 fingers on 2 thumbnails at once if you want. Swiping downward from the top edge of your iPad screen with 1 finger will show you all of the notifications for any apps on your iPad that you've enabled notifications for. To close these notifications, you can swipe back upward with 1 finger, or you could also tap the home button once. These are just a few quick ways that you can navigate around your iPad quickly.